Hello, I'm Danny Kennedy, the founder of Lyft. Today we're sitting down with Mike from the VFW 12002. Mike reached out to me because he's interested in his first drone, and he's also wanting to start his FAA Part 107 certification. This is exactly what Lyft is about: structured drone education, discipline, and helping veterans build skill with purpose. So here's what happens next. You choose the platform that fits your mission, you complete the trust certification, or just begin your journey to the Part 107 study. Then we schedule our first structured training session. We'll build this step by step. No shortcuts, no guesswork, no chaos. If you're a veteran and you're interested in getting started, reach out. We'll walk you through this right away. Lyft is a new program, and it's structured, it's professional, it's mission focused. And again, I'm Danny Kennedy. See you in the sky.